Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Let's solve this question which says, what are the different methods to treat ADA deficiency? Option A, enzyme replacement therapy. Option B, bone marrow transplantation. Option C, gene therapy. And option D, all of the above. So let us understand the question. It says, what are the different methods to treat ADA deficiency? Now, what are they asking about? They're asking about different methods to treat what? ADA deficiency. So what is this ADA first of all? ADA is a type of enzyme which is called as adenosine deaminase. Okay, what is this? Adenosine deaminase. So this enzyme is very important for our immune system. Okay, it helps in our immune response. It is very important for our immunity. And this is commonly produced by our lymphocytes. What are lymphocytes? These are type of WBCs. Okay. If this enzyme is not produced, then this immunity will get affected. Okay. So there are certain people where this ADA gene has undergone ADA, the gene for ADA, that is, the gene which codes for ADA enzyme, that gene has undergone mutation. Okay. So if they have mutation, then there is no production of ADA enzyme. Okay, ADA enzyme will not be produced, right? So in such case, what will happen? Immunity will get affected, and that those people will be suffering by the condition called as severe combined immunodeficiency disorder, okay, or syndrome. Severe combined immunodeficiency disorder, okay, or syndrome. Now this is nothing but the condition where immunity is low. So when immunity is low, you will get primary infection, secondary infection, so all kind of infection because the immunity itself is low. That is why it's called a skip. Now, to treat such people, various methods have been introduced. Okay, so very important method is gene therapy. So gene therapy can be one of the solution for treating this particular condition permanently, like especially if we do it at very early stage, so that is early embryonic stage. Okay, so what can be done? The gene for this enzyme can be introduced into the cells of the embryo, and further this embryo, as it develops, all the cells will acquire that characteristics and all the cells will have the ability to produce that particular enzyme. Okay, so that's how gene therapy is a very good method, or you can say this can be a permanent solution, a permanent cure. But there are other cures also, or other treatments also, like bone marrow transplantation, okay, where the bone marrow, that is the place, or that is the site of the formation of WBCs, right? So and the WBCs which are not capable of forming ADA, if at all such WBCs are present, then those WBCs will be removed, or in that particular place, the WBCs which have been genetically engineered for the production of ADA can be introduced. Okay, so that is what we call as bone marrow transplantation. That is by gene therapy again. Okay, but then here we are just introducing the you can say recombinant cells here in the bone marrow. Sometimes it happens that you take the mutant cells from the bone marrow and introduce the proper cells which are not mutant. Okay, that is also bone marrow transplantation. Okay, transplantation. Okay. Now let us see. Option A says enzyme replacement therapy. So this also can be done since the person is not able to produce this enzyme, that is ADA. So injections, okay, injection of ADA can be given. Okay, so that is also correct. Option B says bone marrow transplantation. Yes, that can be done, but it is not a permanent cure. Both A and B are not permanent cure, but they can be used. Option C says gene therapy. So this can be, if it done in early stage, this can be permanent solution. Option D says all of the above. Yes, all of the above can be utilized to treat ADA deficiency. So let us conclude. So what is the answer? The answer is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.